What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to TRU Tech. And first off, before we do anything, thank you. Seriously. The amount of love and comments, the subscribers, the support for this giveaway has been absolutely crazy. And I appreciate every single one of you that took the time to enter. Now, today's video is the moment that you've all been waiting for. It's time to announce the winners of the TRU Tech Holiday Giveaway. Now, let me be clear and upfront about how all of this went down. The winners you are about to hear were randomly selected using AI. There's absolutely no favoritism, none of that I know him, none of that I like that comment more than that one. Nothing like that. Straight random selection from everyone who followed the rules. And before anyone asks, because I know how the internet be, these prizes were purchased with my own money. So this giveaway is not sponsored. No brand paid me, no company slid in my DM with free gear. This was straight TRU Tech showing love to the community. Now, behind the scenes, I am building relationships with brands and companies, so future giveaways, yeah, they might get bigger. But this one is from me to y'all. So drum roll, everybody, drum roll. All right, winner number one goes to Ghost Noise _9. That's Ghost Noise 9. And Ghost Noise 9 commented, and I quote, "I like to use this for my Twitch stream." First of all, that's exactly what we like to hear. Streaming, creating, building. This is what this gear was meant for. Ghost _9, congratulations. You are officially one of the winners of the TRU Tech Holiday Giveaway. Winner number two, Lily Bean. And Lily Bean commented, "I'll put this in my setup for casual gaming and watching TRU Tech." Now listen, casual gaming and watching TRU Tech, that's elite multitasking right there. Shout out to Lily Bean. Congratulations. You are officially a giveaway winner. Winner number three. Our third and final winner is Chris Miller 03. That's Chris Miller with an I. 03. And Chris commented, "I want to enter the giveaway for my little brother so we can stream together." Now I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That one hit different. Streaming together, building something with family, that's what this whole thing is about. So Chris Miller 03, congratulations. You are officially a TRU Tech Holiday Giveaway winner. This part is very important, so listen closely. All of the winners that I just mentioned have until December 31st at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to respond. You must reach out to me directly. You can find my information right here on my YouTube page. If any winner does not respond, their prize will be forfeited and I will randomly select another subscriber to receive it. No extensions, no exceptions. I have to keep this fair. To everyone who entered but did not win this time, do not get discouraged. I see you and I appreciate you, and trust me when I say this will not be the last giveaway. TRU Tech is growing and the community is growing, and there will definitely be more giveaways coming. So make sure you're subscribed and that you've clicked that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Stay tapped in, because when the next one drops, you won't want to miss it. Once again, congratulations to Ghost Noise _9, Lily Bean, and Chris Miller 03. So thank you to everyone who participated. Thank you for rocking with TRU Tech. And as always, y'all stay locked in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.